How to redirect on Squarespace. So we want to open up our website in the editor here. And once we have our website loaded, from the left hand side, we will go to settings. Now from the settings, open up the developer tools and go to URL mapping. Create internal and external URL redirects. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste a line of code. You can easily copy this. I'll zoom in. So it looks like this. So slash old URL, you don't want to change any of this, and then slash new URL, and you want to leave this line like it is, this number. So basically you will get the old URL and the new URL that you want to redirect from. So here I know that my URL for one of my pages is about, and then my other one is our instructors. And you will obviously change these with your own URL, so the old one and the new one that you want to redirect. And after you have done this, simply click on save, and that's how you redirect in Squarespace. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.